If you had to tell the UAE investor about Tamil Nadu, 3 things that you would say, come, what would it be?
I think it's a place where doing business is relatively easy. We've always had a global mindset, going back thousands of years, or maybe 2,000 years. The logic of Yadum Ure Yavarum Kelir, all towns are our town, all people are our people. So we have a very open mindset. We have a very global diaspora and network. A lot of people who come back are our diaspora setting up companies. We have unparalleled talent pool. I think it's safe to say of the scale that we have, there's no other place in the world where you'll find this many qualified people of young age as a talent pool. And I would say that with the global shifts, as we're seeing the shift away from China, at best de-risking future investments and if possibly more moving away. For example, Tamil Nadu has become #1 in electronics goods export in 3 years from #4.
That's true.
A lot of it actually is iPhone assembly, which shifted from China and is now being done in Tamil Nadu in large factories by the Taiwanese contractors. So I think the ecosystem is there in electronics, in automotive. We have big intellectual capital every year for the last 6 years. The most number of patent registrations has happened in Chennai. So we have a good ecosystem of industry and suppliers and up and down the spectrum. So it's easier to fit in, and we have at all scales from 50%, 100% small enterprises all the way to, I think, Hyundai's second biggest production center is in Chennai after their hometown in South Korea. So I think in that sense, it's a very conducive place for investment, and we're very happy to work with global investors, global companies for mutual benefit.